crazy prices, and a lot of side effects like a zombie face. Who wants that? But here's what most people don't realize. You don't need a shot to support GLP-1. Your body already makes GLP-1 naturally. It's the hormone that helps you feel full, control cravings, and manage blood sugar. The problem? Most people's bodies just aren't producing or using it efficiently anymore. That's where Results RNA GLP-1 Advanced Metabolic comes in. It's a non-prescription oral spray designed to help your body naturally support its own GLP-1 pathways. No needles, no injections, no doctor visits. You spray it, swish, swallow, and you're supporting appetite control and metabolism at the hormonal level, not just fighting hunger with willpower. So, if you want the GLP-1 effect without the GLP-1 shot, without the price tag, and without the fear of injections, go check out Results RNA and look at their GLP-1 Advanced Metabolic Formula. Get exclusive savings through Save Club, because weight loss shouldn't start with a needle. It should start with supporting how your body actually works.